morning students, this is the class for 4th standard science subject. In science our second lesson is finished. Okay, so next move on to the third lesson, that is work and energy. Okay, so first before we are going to learn about work and energy, first we are going to see about the force. Okay, so what is the force means? The force is nothing but it's a push or pull. Okay, so the push or pull is nothing but the force. Okay, so this push or pull will helps the object to move from one place to another place. Okay, that is moving condition to rest position or rest condition to moving condition. Okay, so by using of the force we can change the position of the object. Okay students. The next one is types of force. Okay, first one is a frictional force, the second one is a gravitational force, the third one is muscular force, and last one is a magnetic force. Okay, so these are the different types of forces. Okay, so the next one is what is the cause of the force? Okay, here the cause means it refers to the effect. Okay, in Tamil we called it as vilaivu. No, okay, so what is the cause of the force or effect of the force means a force can cause an object to change its shape or speed or direction. Okay, which means by using the force we can change the shape of the object or speed of the object or direction of the object. Okay, so by using the force we can change its three phenomena. Okay, so this is known as the cause or effect of the force. Okay students. So next one is we are going to learn about the work. Okay, so work means it's an action. Okay, it's an action or process in which one exerts a force to move an object is known as works. Okay, which means works is a process. Okay, by using the work we have to change the position of the object. Okay, so by using the work we have to change the position of the object, which means it will be changed from the rest to moving condition or moving condition to rest. Okay, so by using the work we have to change the rest condition of the object or moving condition of the object. Okay, so next one is when can we say that the work is done or not? Okay, the work is done or not. Okay, so for that which process for the work has to be done, there are two main conditions that are needed. Okay, for the work has to be done there are two main conditions. Okay, are to be needed. Okay, so in that the first condition is what means a force should act on an object. Okay, that is a force is acting on the object. Okay, that means your work has to be done. Okay, then the second condition is an object should move from one place to another place. Okay, an object should move from one place to another place. Okay, which means it move from rest to moving condition or moving condition to rest condition. Okay, either okay it can be changed from one place to or another place. Okay, so these two are the conditions which is needed for the work has to be done. Okay students. So next one is energy. Okay, first we have learned about the work. Okay, so the next one is energy. So before going to the energy we have to know that what are the different sources of energy. Okay, the energy is derived from where. Okay, so that source is where it can be derived. Okay, so what are the different sources of energy? First one is the food we eat in our daily life. Okay, the food, which are the different types of foods we eat in our daily life, that gives the energy for ourselves. Okay, to do the some works in our daily life. Okay, then second one is the sun. Okay, so the sun is the primary source of energy because it gives light as well as the heat. Okay, the sun, it gives the light energy as well as the heat energy. So this is the primary source of energy. Okay, sun is the primary source of energy. Then third one is the electricity. Okay, by using the electricity, okay, that is current, the escalator and the lift move from one floor to the another floor. Okay, so this is also the source of energy. Okay, at the last one is burning off on any substances. Burning off on any substances means a fire. Okay, so burning off any coal, petroleum, okay, then wooden, okay, wood or any paper. Okay, so burning off any substances be the source of energy. Okay, so next, what is the definition of the energy means? It is defined as capacity for doing work. Okay, here capacity means it refers to the ability. Okay, so how much of ability we have to do our work. Okay, so that is known as the energy. Okay, I repeat, it's defined as, okay, the energy is defined as the capacity for doing work. So how much amount of the capacity which we have to do work, okay, that is known as the energy. Okay, this energy is transferred to one object. Okay, so this energy is transferred from ourselves to object to do work. Okay, the energy is transferred from ourselves to do work for some objects. Okay, so that is known as the energy. Okay.